welcome. Every year for 4th of July, I always think, I don't need to dress red, white, and blue, or I'll just throw on jeans, or I'll just do something. But I really wanted, last year I went to a little parade in our neighborhood, and everybody had on red, white, and blue. And I mean, I had on red, white, and blue, but not officially red, white, and blue. So last year I decided next year I was really going to look red, white, and bluish. So that's the reason why I've kind of given you some ideas for 4th of July, because I think it's the spirit of the holiday, just to kind of, celebrate our country, all that kind of fun stuff. So this year you can bet I'm going to be in red, white, and blue because I have outfits. So this is another example. So a little secret with you, we are behind the scenes right now, PBS. This week, next week, we're filming PBS. And this is one of the wraps that we're doing. Well, it's not really a wrap, but we're calling it Jeannie's Accessory. So this is Jeannie's Accessory. We're making it on the show. I'm going to kind of show you what we're doing, and I love it. And let me just demo it first. So first off, it just comes down here. Front and back is the same. But then the other thing I love about it is it can be worn with the short side in the front, or you can twist it here and wear it like this. And I love them both. I don't know if I have that on right or not. I can't see, but anyway, you'll get the idea once you do it and switch it. So the lace is red, the top is white, the jeans are blue. There you have it, red, white, and blue. And don't forget a little something to top it all off. All right, so really easy to do. Great gift, or you can make it smaller for little grandkids. I think it'd be so much fun to do on so many different levels. When I did this, and we have lots of laces. We have red, we have white, we have black, and of course you can dress it up, dress it down, do whatever. The laces have an edge to them. Even if they don't, you can make your own edge. Don't get me wrong, but I'm going to use this purple. This is a purple that we just put up. It's beautiful. It has a little beautiful border as well. And I love this because you can just cut out the little details on it. So you need 2 yards. And what you're going to do, and the length is how long it's this way. Or when I had it on the first way, it was, from side to side. I did it a yard and a half. And then you're going to cut 2 pieces. I did it 22 inches long, which is actually this way. So you're just going to cut 2 pieces like that. Now, because I'm using a fabric that had a beautiful selvage, I folded the selvages together and then I cut off here to get my 2 pieces what they wanted to be. So you can see there's my 2 pieces. Now, what I'm going to do on this purple one is I'm going to put that beautiful selvage up along the neck. Or when I turn it, it'll go down the front, because I just think that's just so beautiful. And then this purple works really well because at the bottom, you can really cut those little triangles out. So I'm going to go along the bottom and just cut the triangles out. So the bottom will have a finish as well. Nothing will be done on the sewing machine, except, there's a couple things. But you can see that sometimes the fabric is just so spectacular that it works just perfect for something like this. Okay, so I've got my 2 pieces, and I'm just going to connect them. And I'm going to connect them at 6 places. And that's all optional. As you can see, so there's some little gaps here. I'm going to go back to the way it was in the first place, which was like this. And again, I should be looking at a mirror to make sure this is all right, but I trust it is. So you can see that there's like little openings along the sleeve, and I really like that. And then of course it finally lets out above the elbow. So this is how that's done. So regardless again of which side you're going to use, I'm just going to show you how to connect the 2 together. And all you're going to do is connect them. Now again, with this red lace, I just put, because there's a kind of a finish to lace on all laces. Here's a white one too. You might be able to see better. See, there's just that finish right there. That's the edge of the lace. So that's actually what I used as the top. And then I did nothing to the bottom. I didn't finish the bottom at all. You could go back and I could cut it along with the scallops. It'd be really pretty, and I most likely will, to just cut along right with the pattern of the lace. I've seen that so many times and it's really pretty. And you can do it along the arms no, you can do it along the sides. No, you can't. This whole thing here is the top. So that already comes finished. All you have to do is here and then the hems. So it's fun. It's just really fun to do it. So what I did is I put the finish of the lace up at the top. And then you're going to take and find the center. And you're going to connect, like I said, 6 points. Okay, so once you find the center, the first one you're going to go out 7 inches. And if you're a little smaller, you can make it 6.5. But 7 inches. And you're going to connect on both sides. So what that's doing is right here and right here is it's holding it on the neck. So the 7, and it gives you like a little boat neck. The 7 inches is really 14 inches out, and that gets it over everybody's head. That secures it from falling off your shoulders. That's what that 7 inches is going to do. Then you're going to make 2 more. You're really going to make 4 more, but 2 more on each side. You're going to go 5 inches and then 5 inches. And each time, all I did is on the sewing machine, I just put it together and overlapped it a little bit and just tacked it in place. You could do it by hand. You could put a little bead there. Gosh, you guys, I always say my responsibility is the ideas. Your responsibility is to take it and go crazy from there. So you get a little 5 inch, a little 5 inch, and then you get the 14 inch across the neck. And that's it. So with just a few minutes of time and some great fabric, you will be the most stylish for 4th of July ever. But gosh, when I look at something like this, you know, where I saw it originally was, I had to, well, it doesn't matter. But anyway, I walked into this shop and all it was, you know, cover-ups and shawls and all kinds of stuff like this. And I just went crazy. It was so much fun. Because what I love about these is they're not seasonal. They're not dressy or casual. The fabric makes them really dressy or really casual or summer or winter. You can just do so much with them. So this is Jeannie's accessory because we're going to do it on the show with Jeannie and she's going to walk away with it. And the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.